Hello everybody, welcome to our channel 1-2 Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can post a story on your TikTok. Now TikTok has launched a new story feature on the app and you will be able to use it. If you want to learn more on that, please watch this video till the end. If you're not yet subscribed or new to our channel 1-2 Step, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So let's get started. First, you'll open the TikTok app and now you'll click on the plus button to create a new video at the center at the bottom. Once you do that, let's record a video. And then click on the tick button once you're done. So now you have the option of post to story on the bottom left here. So you click on that and now it will be posted on your story. So now your followers can see this video as a story. It will be here just for 24 hours, after which it will this will be deleted. And you can see the blue ring over your profile icon over there, and that is how you know that your story has been uploaded. So if you click, you will be able to see your story and people will be able to like this video and also comment on it. So that is how you upload a story on TikTok, guys. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to 1-2 Step and don't forget to leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching.